Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to create an interactive template in Mercuri. First, go to Templates and then select WhatsApp from the left side panel. Next, click on the Interactive Templates tab. Now, select Create Interactive Template. You'll land on the template creation page. Begin by entering a short and descriptive template name. From the drop-down menu, choose the interactive message type as List. You also have the option to add a header to your template. Headers help highlight important information at the top of the message. After selecting the header, move to the body section and add your message content. Next, let's configure the action button for the interactive list. Start by entering the CTA button text. This is the label users will see on the button, for example, View Menu. You can add up to 10 sections by clicking on Add Section. For each section, enter a section title. This title helps group related options in the list. Each row has a row ID, which is auto-generated. Next, enter the row title, which is the main option visible to the user. You can also add an optional description to provide more details. Click on Add Row to create a new option. Inside each section, you can add up to 10 rows. Repeat these steps to add more rows or sections as needed. Once completed, your interactive list action button is ready to guide users to structured choices. Preview your template and click on Create Template to save the interactive template.